Okay, join me as we tour the new road construction by High Chief PCO Akuamia and Ukpor. Meanwhile, this is his country home, Oba Akuamia and Ukpor. Yes, duplexes like 10 or so. Okay, Lucia, Ololo, uncles, brothers, cousins, everybody. Unenu like 10 there. As you can see, okay, we got this style. You got to go? So, as you can see, Ilobia, Etegi already, with street light, everything, you can see it. So he's lucky to billing Ilo, Etego everywhere. But today is satisfied. He could have easily locked up, but no, we buwauza, just to make movement easier for his village people. We tell us, if not double drainage, here for the height of the drainage. Don't know, Ukpor has valley. It's easy for water to move, but still, he made sure he constructed a very heavy and deep gutter down this road, all his village, throughout all his village. Ogagide, amangobazono gas kilometer. Nke amazon no speedometer ko kilowatts ka ga-akpụ ya. Akuamia nwere mmadụ melgie. Hey, o tegide loza from his village. Gagide. Ga like 2-3 more villages. See those or tegide. This road joined another town, Ozobolo. Telukwanaga. So is, you know, from that place that we were. This is another side of it. Okay, you can see the gutter, you can see the height, the deepness, the oh my goodness, the height. Ana look at those. The fill up. Name when Rosa. Oh yeah. Emwe. If we are here, you like if yeah. Eh? You go here. In back every day. Okay. You got half again? Ujumwa. Wakantora ke kupere. Moyambu. Okay. Akuamia wanne ke mwaka kwema. Kwema na kwama abonyumu. Bawe goli. Abon wat kudeme. This road continued from here. This is another side of it. From the other side we videoed. The back at this is where the road will come out. It's by straight before, beside his house. This is where the road will pop up. Then it continued. From that first place, you can see the road now. So it continued, you can see, to join the other side of coming into Umuhu. This is Umuhu. Then let's go. Come with me. This is somebody doing this with his personal money. Yotago. Ocho jegolo helicopter na agboya oyegia eyatago, but he's on a check. Kedukwanu maka ndi village, kedukwanu maka ndi no na village. This is somebody that has been building houses for people. Ayade me your deal. You can ask of Akuamia, Chuko Kagana, Akuamia no Ukpor. Everybody only Ukpor na gagwa gena ade Amaka when it comes to empowerment. Eyatago on this platform, I am 2024 Ukpor Philanthropist of the Year. I have reasons before nememu nsukuofu. Yeah, na go bo monwe zeregu. As onye Ukpor ayejiro monwe egwu. Ilo kana agakwa. Just cool down. This is with his personal money. Akuamia has empowered almost all the youths in his village, unless it is the Zoyale ni choye puta. Emepekwa no no se no nwere yi na eme, but onwe ko si delege. Akuamia will take up. Ilo akana agakwa. All with double drainages, double gutter. Odegwanizi bụ nwanna Akuamia nwanne m olulu ilecha ka nna elecha. Then ilu agagide back other villages. Yes. Then ka ngosizi ege ebe di ilo gagidere banyekwuo another town. This road, this is the house of the first aviation minister, High Chief Mbazika Amwechi. The boy is good. Then ilu akita ga-apụta here. Oga pop here. Mind you, ilu abanyela Ozobolo. This road he moved for his village to so many other villages, then to another town. another town entirely. This one is not from village to village now. This is another town entirely. Do you understand me? So the road has moved to another town entirely. That's the height of it. That's the height of the good news. You know, with double drainage, with height, as in big height and fill-ups. No, government will come, and he's doing this thing not to compete with government too. He said he's only assisting the government, that the government is trying, that individuals, that he's here to assist the government to make life easier for the people. He's a businessman. He's into so many things, both importations, both cars, both spare parts, both. In fact, Akuamia is in every thing. Akuamia is like the new Dangote. Almost everything people are dealing on, Akuamia is in it. Is either he's empowering somebody there, or he's supporting somebody there, or he's partnering with somebody there. Yes, Akuamia Chuku Kagana Onyawa. Double drainage. This is Ozobolo. This road all Lugidegana Banya another town. Ozobolo. So when Ozobolo never, this is the popular Zistin Secondary School Ozobolo. They have produced so many big guys. This is Ozobolo. I intentionally videoed that signboard so that so many of you will know that we are not kidding here. This road moved from Ukpor, his village, moved to other villages, then to Ozobolo. This is 16. This is 16. Ask any Ozobolo person, they know this road. Akuamia is tying it down. Badaba. Gafe Ozobolo. Banye, as in, he made sure that everywhere, all